During the Viking era, which spanned from the late 8th to the early 11th century, Norse society was structured around a patriarchal system where men held positions of power and authority. Women were typically tasked with managing the household and raising children. However, amidst this traditional gender division, there were exceptional women known as Shieldmaidens who defied societal norms by taking up arms and fighting alongside men in battles. These Shieldmaidens played a significant role in Norse mythology and history, challenging the conventional roles of women in Viking society. Famous Shieldmaidens such as Lagertha and Brynhild are celebrated in Norse mythology and sagas for their exceptional bravery and skill in battle. These Shieldmaidens were depicted as fierce warriors, skilled in combat, archery, and tactics, often leading armies into battle with unmatched courage. Their presence on the battlefield not only inspired fear in their enemies, but also served as a symbol of empowerment for women in Viking society. The legacy of Shieldmaidens continues to influence perceptions of gender roles in Viking warfare and culture. Burial sites and artifacts linked to female warriors have been uncovered, providing tangible evidence of the presence of Shieldmaidens in Viking society. Modern research and interpretations of Viking graves containing female remains have shed light on the roles and status of women in Norse culture, challenging previous assumptions about their societal roles. However, controversies and debates persist surrounding the identification of Shieldmaidens, with some scholars questioning the validity of attributing warrior status to these female individuals. Shieldmaidens may have served various functions in Viking society, including military roles such as warriors and protectors, as well as potentially holding political and social influence. These women likely possessed a level of autonomy and agency, defying traditional gender norms by actively participating in warfare and decision-making processes. The presence of Shieldmaidens challenged societal expectations of women in the Viking Age, highlighting the complex and dynamic nature of gender roles in Norse culture. The Shieldmaiden archetype has evolved in contemporary storytelling, reflecting changing societal attitudes towards gender roles and empowerment. Female perspectives have influenced the portrayal of Shieldmaidens as strong, independent, and capable warriors who challenge traditional norms. Examples of Shieldmaidens can be found in popular movies, TV shows, and literature, such as Lagertha in Vikings and Eowyn in The Lord of the Rings, showcasing the enduring appeal of these fierce female characters in modern narratives. In conclusion, Shieldmaidens played a significant role in Viking history and mythology, challenging traditional gender norms and leaving a lasting impact on Norse culture. Their portrayal in modern media reflects evolving perspectives on gender empowerment and representation. To delve deeper into the world of Viking Shieldmaidens, we encourage you to explore additional resources and research on this fascinating topic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content on historical figures and events. Thank you for watching.